Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be looking at three stories. The first thing we'll be looking at is Meddik. Who remember the upcoming dancehall artist or the dancehall artist? Although I don't really know her songs, but according to what the newspapers are describing her, she is the dancehall artist Meddik. Meddik has been missing for a whole heap of months now. I'm sure it's this year. I don't think of from last year. But Meddik has been missing for a couple months now. No trace of her or anything. The police up until now, up until recently, that's what I'll be speaking about now. The police have not found any evidence to help in her case, in her disappearance, or in her life being cut short, because by now most people are assuming that she is no longer among the land of the living. So when you see people get missing for a while, especially in Jamaica, where you don't hear nothing of them again, you know point blank say say that happened. But anyway, news is just in that they have found some remains in a cane field, I think it is. They have found some bones and they presume it to be those of dancehall Meddik. Why? At least I guess her family can now have some closure as to well, we won't know exactly what happened, but at least now her family will have closure as to, just me responding, her family will have closure as to where her remains are. So they have found the skeletal remains and they say it is Meddik. No, I don't know if you guys have been following the word on the street, but word on the street is that Meddik was involved in Meddik was involved with this boy in a prison, and him stay from behind bars and call all the shots, right? So practically what they're saying is him responds to everything. Because while he was in jail, Meddik couldn't just do as she like. But I don't understand how comes you're in a serious relationship with someone in prison. I'm not saying you can't be in a relationship with someone in prison, but a serious relationship where it's gonna go as far as that person is controlling your life. That person is controlling your every move. That person has someone who is stalking you constantly 24/7. You can't go anywhere. So that person is in prison. Their life is over. And then what they're trying to tell me is that my life should be over as well, because me not up no prison sentence with nobody. You do your crime, so you go in there, nobody come stress me out emotionally. Nah, no ali at all, because me not come and no prison come visit nobody. Me not go to have nothing to do with nothing bad in a prison. Once you're in that world, you're just in that world, and me can't help you. Me just a hope and a pray say me myself not end up to prison too. Although me I try to do my best not to go to prison, but you don't know how people can tell things sometimes and do some things. But anyway, the remains of Meddik has been found, and word on the street is that the prison man set up everything to take her out. Boy, you can imagine, you're in prison, you can't get to live your life, and somebody on the outside, you're gonna stop them from live their life as well, because apparently you want all on to lock up. That's why I say men and women, whenever you're trying to do your stuff, we might land in a prison, make sure that you know, make sure you have a good idea of what you're doing. Because when you go to prison, and you're alone and go sit down behind them bars there. You understand me? You have a lot of family members and a lot of people who, it's like when a family of theirs is in prison, it's like their lives are over. It's like because the whole life now just the whole life is just has to do with surrounding that person who is in prison. So it has to do with visiting that person, thinking about that person, giving the person credit time. You know, it's just your whole life now revolves around a person who is in prison, and you never tell him to go to prison unless you used to reap benefits of the gangster lifestyle. You used to get blood money, so maybe that's why I know a lot of people have their struggle with people who are in prison. But personally, I know that for a fact. I'm not gonna be outside and living as if I'm inside of a prison because someone who I care about happens to land themselves in trouble, and then their life over, and then no, them not satisfied, so for them life over, them have to kill you too. Hey, YouTube, I go block my video with them whole heap explicit because they don't like when you talk a certain way. YouTube will block it and so, but it's not easy. But I'm learning, guys. I'm trying to learn. So yes, as I was saying, Meddik body, but Meddik remains is not even body. Her bones have been found, and police they are I think they did a postmortem. They said yes, they did the postmortem, and let me see if I can give you a clip of what the thing says, of what the thing says, if I can see it properly. Hold on, I'm trying to open my camera so that I can tell you what the newspaper is saying. Why am I can't find it? So the newspaper is saying they have found her remains, and word on the street is that is the guy behind bars set up the whole thing for Meddik. Hey, some of them Dahlia, you know, so what them call themselves, you know, these new Gen Z, Gen Jezebel, Gen Z, what's her P call them? Gen Z Jezebel. Also, Gen Z Jezebel. Hey, then them Gen Z people here, you know, their mindset is different. They have a different mindset from us, so they will put up with a lot of stuff. Like the things that they will do, we wouldn't even dream of doing it. But hey ho, it's a different generation, so different generations people do different things. But the outside and they would have man, me not do it. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna be coming back and I'm gonna read the excerpt from the story and a few other comments, and we'll take it from there. See you soon. Peace. Hi guys, well, this next story we'll be talking about is an incident that took place at the Ocherius High School. Let's go into the story. Guys, a tragic incident unfolded at the Ocherius High School in St. Anne on Monday, leaving a female student hospitalized. The condition of the student remains unknown at this time. Reports indicate that a male student brought a pistol to school and was showing the weapon to a classmate when the unfortunate incident occurred. The community is deeply shaken by the incident, and authorities are likely to conduct a thorough investigation to understand how the firearm was brought in onto school premises. Oh my gosh. And to ensure such incidents are prevented in the future. Our thoughts and prayers are with the injured and her family during this challenging time. Imagine that, guys. A child. Oh my God. Guys, you can slow the video down so you can read the comment, or you can just skip through the comments and go to the next video clip, okay? So you can slow the video down or pause it and read what people are saying about the incident, or skip through and go to the next video clip. So guys, the Child Protection and Family Services, they came out and they spoke about the incident which took place at the Orcherios High School, and this is what they had to say. The recent incident at the Orcherios High School, where a female student was accidentally shot by another student who had brought a pistol in his bag, underscores the critical need for enhanced vigilance among parents regarding child protection and family services. Parents must take proactive steps to ensure their children's safety, including regularly checking their school bags before they leave for school. This simple yet effective measure can help prevent dangerous items from being brought into educational environments, thereby safeguarding all students. It is essential for parents to remain engaged and aware of their children's activities and possessions, fostering open communication and building trust. By being more vigilant and involved, parents can play a significant role in creating a safer and more secure environment for their children, both at home and in school. Which is right, which is really right. That's what we as parents, that's what we need to do. I have inserted a few comments of what some people has to say about this, so you can slow the video down or pause the video and read the comments if you wish. If not, you can just skip to the upcoming clip. Guys, in a shocking turn of events, the suspect in the tragic death of teacher Daniel Anglin has been found not to offer services with the rideshare company InDrive, contrary to prior police statements. Initially, authorities connected to the suspect, a convicted sex offender, to InDrive, which raised significant concerns about safety and background checks within rideshare's platform. However, recent findings have clarified that the suspect had no affiliation with the company. The individual is currently in police custody, facing charges related to the abduction and death of Daniel Anglin on May the 13th. The case underscores the importance of thorough investigation and accurate information in pursuit of justice. So guys, you know the drill. If you want to read the comment, you can slow or pause the video and read what people has to say about this. And I will catch you in my next clip. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys, and stay tuned for the next clip. A male police constable attached to the Marine Police in Portland and 2 Haitian men were arrested on Thursday during a significant operation in St. Elizabeth. The operation led to the seizure of a large quantity of ganja, resulting in the trio being held on suspicion of possession of ganja, conveyance of ganja, conspiracy, and other breaches of the Dangerous Drugs Act. The authorities have intensified their efforts to crack down on drug trafficking, and this arrest underscores their commitment to upholding the law and curbing illegal activities. The investigation is ongoing as the authorities aim to uncover the full extent of the operation and bring all involved to justice. But America, them a legalize weed and all of them something. So how we are stick out on weed so much? Like something needs to be done. But if you break the law, you break the law, and that's just it. The mother of the slain rogue policeman has come forward to speak on the profound loss of her son. A mother's love knows no boundaries, and she ardently defends her son's innocence, insisting he was a God-fearing individual who was not involved in any wrongful activities. Despite being under investigation for a murder, she remains steadfast in her belief that her son was not mixed up in the underworld. Grief manifests differently in everyone, and her unwavering support is a testament to her profound love and pain. In the following clip, you can pause or stop the video to read the comments from viewers. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content. Peace.
So on the treat a serving member, me can't hear nothing, me no see nobody come. Where he had the bar around the road from where we live. There's an upholstery man that is right there. The little old man said, Miss Debbie, let me tell her something. Me see them, let me tell her something. Say, me there right at the bar the night when some shooting go on for us. Right? They say my son do it. Why on earth? Then I say my son are no bad man. My son hate criminal. My son hate gunman. You understand me? He was a licensed firearm holder. Right? And man of the police at the time come. Me don't know which part my son there. Me calling phone. They don't give him a call, they lock up my son. I went to the commissioner's office. Right? And from the commissioner's office, one officer keep in touch with me. After me go up there and let them know what was happening here in Manchester with my son, who is not a criminal. I told them about the incident the 3 times that they come at him to kill him. You understand me? 3 times. One officer keep in touch with me. You understand me? Me see my son 6:59 yesterday. Me call him and me say you need to come for your dinner. He say yes mommy, me soon come here, I go drop off something. 6:59 me talk to him. Me call him, me can't get no answer. And Jesus Christ, the 3rd attempt. 3 times on his life, they shoot up my car. Oh God, at Dodges Valley. You know, having license firearm. They took his license firearm. It's like they just left him out of it and kill him. I said they kill him. Then Jesus Christ, Courtney, they kill him, man. And he's a serving member. Oh, God have mercy, Mr.
In a recent incident that has sparked considerable debate in Jamaica, A confrontation between a parent and a police officer led to widespread public upset. The community is divided, with some siding with the police while others believe the parent was in the right. In an attempt to address the controversy, a response officer took to TikTok to share their perspective on the matter. The video quickly gained traction as the officer provided a detailed account of the event and called for calm and understanding. The officer emphasizes the importance of respectful dialogue and encouraged viewers to consider all sides of the story before forming judgment. This approach on social media aims to foster a more nuanced discussion and highlighted the need for constructive communication in resolving conflict. Boy, let me know what you guys think, and we will listen to what the officer has to say in the next clip.
Good morning, our Jamaican citizen, our Jamaica Constable Force, JCF, our response officer. So now I just make this clear to the media. I don't care. It's a law personnel. This is my colleague. Yeah, brawling outside. Yeah. You see what take place, transpire at Kingston with the police female and then the parents that got the school to rectify what happened between female kids and other kids. And that's how we deal with the situation. By law and by right. The police is here to protect and serve the Jamaican citizen of Jamaica. They're responsible for every civilian, every pedestrian. They're responsible. Imagine a 2 officer, 1 female, they didn't have to reach this. The police be there, like you're sure of the female. You have to hold on for your gun one at a time. And you have the female down in the jeep. After you put her in the jeep, you have to hold on for your gun. You have to intimidate her. Watch everything on the video. Everything. If she point in your face, she assault you. But you lick her. You're total wrong. She win it right away. Because she point in your face, that is assault. But why you lick her? She's not a child. She's not your daughter. I be a go on in our country, boy, Anjo. Anjo. You see you? You see you, Anjo? Not one more expensive for Uno. I care 0. Anjo, you don't know me eat, you don't know me drink, you don't know me 4 kids and blood clot go school. How they eat. Too much of you, Anjo. I be a law you implement, Pawi. Law. And we work with the system, you know. We not go against the system. Because we wrong for vote you blood clot in. And see the younger generation, them give vote them, they never think. They never was thinking. Because some of we light edit. But the one them educated, they can't educate the younger set them because they not take no chat, no government. They not no governments. No govern. Bro, big fat stinking police girl. Me not care. See when my mother that time my sister. See you? You don't know your blood clot self. You only be in her ear and you just let her go. She go up in the jeep willingly. You go far as bite the female, cutting hand. They bite the girl, you know. Bite him, bust the hand, you know. And they bleed out in her jeep, you know. I mean they watch everything. So you tell me now, an incident occurred at the school and there's no other way you can solve a solution. Police change for have methods, strategy methods for use for civilian out there in the street. Because first thing you do, talk her down. Talk her down. Ask her clearly if you go in the jeep. When you don't even have one handcuff, you don't need a handcuff to put on the female. You not grab up her, she never go for your gun. She never try to take your gun. For sure you. The girl will explain herself, you're the jaggy girl in her ear. She wrong for pointing in your face. You're f***ing total wrong for put your hand on the female. You're wrong. You verbally abuse the lady. Yo, never style. No pepper spray people for nothing at all. No flash out our button for broke people on our foot and busting skull. For nothing at all. And that's how we work, bro. Bro, that's how we work, bro. A whole heap of soldier killers out there. A whole heap of killer police. I G them a role, so yo. We know if we deal with things, man. We know when boy if you get lick in a face and tap in a face. When they deserve it. You get me I say? You abuse the system. So long, your police if you say, yo, yeah, interior of your clothes, you're going to get right. The judge and the jury going to get the girl right. You're going to give you right over the girl. And I say, blood clot, go. The situation will kill a whole heap of innocent people. Can I tell you, a whole heap of execution style I soon carry out. What come out of it? All on camera I'm watching a kill, man. What come out of it? Yo, I tell you, man. You see you, if a girl know how to deal with you, eh? The girl will set you up a way. Either you lose your tooth, or you drive off a one, go break your blood clot. The girl will you. The girl will you real good police girl. And me they send out this for the media. I care zero. On the top grown abuse people, on the blood clot. Everybody have gun now. Check your world. Everybody have guns. Everybody have guns. Now look a container gun on our find a airport. You know how much pass already? Eh? Who they sending a gun them? Politician. Andrew Wellness know about enough of the blood clot gun them. I get sheer out tight. And then no one kill the people them, innocent people them. Eh? The thing poor man can pull through them link there. And the law enforcement blood clot they do them thing. A big heads them in a parliament. And una live off of the container gun them. And then they make it look like the youth them in the street they do all the animosity. And one thing I blame my man them for, you know, where they make their money and they blow, you know. They now buy 2 goat, 2 cow, 2 pig, some rabbit, some pigeon, fowl, and start some investment. Those are investments. Buy car put on the road. Buy cars and rent them. We need to do better as black people. We need to stand up our foot. Step down. How much people dead since the year start? How much crime rate gone up since last year? How much senseless killing? You know, say the man man take away woman and go them. Eh? For all them bomb buckler boy, yeah. Eh? Hey boy, you see uno? 4 sister me have. I don't say I can't take on my sister go kill them. But who be until your blood clot? If I buy the gun or the knife or the machete, I put in a pussy and shadow grave you. Obi and I miss your blood clot. Because I too much female. Let me tell you, I'm tired of one man. I don't make you look like God, not do him best. One is a failure, man. One a failure. Yeah, me tell you. Yeah, we're tired of certain treatment, man. In God we put we trust Jamaica. Jamaica, we put we trust in a God alone. The Creator, the Almighty. Yo, me work every day. So me get to 1 day off. Ask Christ. Sleep, me eat, play my PUBG, me watch my show. Boring, me go up on the road, me go river, me go beach. Occupy myself. Yo, we need to do better, yo. We need to put on with blood clot foot. And make we fist them talk. Yeah, we fist them need to talk. Black power. Black power, we say. Too much senseless killing, man. Andrew, there's a p. You have a lack of people for freedom of speech, Andrew. Who the f is you? Where you come from? Where the blood clot you come from, Andrew? Eh? Check the crime rate. Much family are dead in a one on senseless killings. Man a shoot up much family, kick off door. I know they're killing they can't solve. The crime they can't solve. Why? No, unity is not here anymore. Before we have unity and strength and divide themselves. And them in a parliament, man. All you know is about. All you know about this, the butter. The butter. Yeah. And every time Andrew fly out, that one country and come back with their system. Try create their system for we in Jamaica. Yeah. And you know, set certain things in a proposal and see how much homeless people out on the road. More people jobless. The jobs that people are get right now and pay less than 3,500, 4,000 a day. How much me spend for the day of work? 2 grand can't come to work. Me drive. Gas gone up, everything gone up. Andrew is a pussy. Me I tell you that. Big pussy. And if you step down, brother, we're tired of you.